Good day, everyone. I'm grateful to God that God has crowned my year with His goodness. This is Segun Olowokere. We are just leaving Kirikiri. It's finally out of the correctional center. Thank you so much for the love that we get. Thank you so much for the support. Segun is a very good guy. The testimony even at the correctional center was amazing. I'm glad that he's out now for good. Thank you everyone that supported us. Thank you to everyone that helped us, to the governor and then to Governor Ademola Adeleke. We are grateful. Everybody, we are grateful to God. Thank you. You'll be seeing him, but for now, no interviews, no nothing. You are just going to help me on how to make him better. Give him job, give him gifts, give him whatever you want to give to him. You know me, I will send you his parents' contact so you could help him. We just want him to be a better person and to be useful for the societies, to be useful for Nigeria and Africa, the whole world at large. We just want him to become a better person. He has very good testimonies from the facility that he is a very good person. In fact, some of them were crying that he was leaving them, but thank God he's finally out. We are out of Kirikiri. We are grateful to God. Thank you, everyone. I'll be updating you more and more on it. We just want to say thank you. Just say thank you. Master
thank you, everybody.
Thank
you so much. I really appreciate it.
God bless you all.
Ẹ padà sọ́dún ayọ̀.
Mo bá yín yọ̀.
Ṣé wọ́n ti kó báàgì sí ẹ ṣe máa.
Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ fídíò yẹn wá dàbí ẹni gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ pátá. Mo sọ sọ́lọ́run lọ́rùn, mo lè dúpẹ́ ní kọ́ọ̀tù.
Ní olólùfẹ́ kó lè jẹ̀sà káàkiri àgbáyé. Yàrá mi, ìyá gbọ́ ìròyìn ayọ̀ mo mú wá sétí gbọ́ yín. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ mo mọ̀ mú wá sétí gbọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ṣé mo yí yan bàbá rẹ̀ àyàn Yorùbá yìí ẹni àṣẹ lóore tẹ́ dúpẹ́ ẹyẹ ó dàbí ọlọ́ṣà akónilẹ́rù lọ ni. Tí bá gbàgbé fọ́nrán mo ṣe gbẹ̀yìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mo fẹ́ sọ. Mi bọ́rọ̀ ọba tún ṣe é lọ, mi máa jẹ́ kí a gbọ́yìn olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ìgbọ́, mo tó wá sétí gbọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀, fọ́nrán mo mú wá sétí gbọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí bá gbàgbé nípa rògbòdìyàn lọ nílùú Ọ̀ṣun nígbà ni, nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin kan. Ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin tórúkọ rẹ̀ méjì Olowokere Segun. Tí bá gbàgbé tán dájọ́ ọkú fún nígbà ni, tí lọ́ọ̀yà kan dájọ́ ọkú fún tán yìí ó gbé adìyẹ àtẹ̀yìn adìyẹ. Tí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn wá fi ọ̀rọ̀ tó gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun Adémọ́lá Adélékè létí, tí gómìnà Ọ̀ṣun lẹ́yìn àṣìṣẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Olowokere Segun. Ṣé rí ìròyìn ayọ̀ mo wá sétí gbọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Ń gbọ́ fọ́nrán kan tẹ̀ á lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Gbọ́ yín ará mi, Segun Olowokere ó mọ̀ tí ya mọ́ pé wá sọ́dọ̀ gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Segun Olowokere náà lẹ́ ń wò. Fọ́nrán mo mú wá sétí gbọ́ yín rè. Segun Olowokere òun náà lẹ́ ní rí tẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun pẹ̀lú àwọn òbí rẹ̀.
That woman has spent almost a fortune. Take your who is coming up? Is that yours? Is that yours? Are you ready for just 10 minutes? No, I've not seen Zacchaeus. Don't tell me 100%. When I say Zacchaeus, then I know what you're talking about. Are you ready? Zacchaeus, are you there? Bishop Olowokere ṣì wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbé jáde ní àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ. Tó wá ti kó lọ́dọ̀ gómìnà, wọ́n bọ́ sí gbàgbá bí. Gbogbo ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ló ń gbàdúrà fún ẹ. Gbogbo wọn bá ti pray pé kó máa jẹ́ kó jáde. Gbogbo àwọn bá ń dókòó ìpátápátá gbogbo wọn olólùfẹ́ ni wọ́n ṣàdúrà, wọ́n gbààwẹ̀. Kò sí nǹkan náà ṣe tó ń torí.